the short 767. I'm sure of that.
4 hours.
I can't tell what airline it is, but some airline. Look, it's a short 767. I bet this is gonna be good. Finally, something cool. Jonah.
What's that, Jonah?
A 767 that I seriously can't tell the airline.
Is that?
I can't tell. Jonah. What's it doing? Jonah. What? When I'm finished counting to 100, I want to go down. Benjamin, we're gonna spend 30 minutes in here. When the film says it's 30 minutes long, then row it down.
Interesting, because you don't feel it.
There it goes. Look, a big 767 plane in the airplane.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, big. Wee, here it goes.
That's a big plane. It's a 767.
That's a big one.
767 is a pretty big plane.
Right about.
I'm not sure if that one's any bigger than 757 though. Oh, that is so awesome! That's awesome! Cool, what is that? Cool! It's a CRJ from United Express or Continental Express. Oh! Can we spend a little bit of spotting time out here? I knew it was a Saab 340! It's a Saab 340! I just can.
You can tell what all the airplanes are.
And it's Colgan Air! I knew it! Colgan Air! Obviously. Cool Colgan Air Saab 340 that still obviously took off from Dulles, just saying it. It doesn't really look like it due to the height. More Dulles spotting!
Very disappointed with the spotting.
Stop!
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
It's better than the spotting.
Yeah, this is even better than the tower!
Oh my god.
Holy guacamole! Actually, that's a... Yeah, 757. Whoa, a United 757! Woohoo! This is even better! Woohoo! New colors, A319 or A320, I guess. What is that? It's behind the building already, and I don't think it's gonna appear again. No matter what is it. There's a United new colors A319 or A320. Continental doesn't have that thing. It's going fast. But there's a fast plane. It's an ERJ. Again. Oh, wait, that first time says that was Saab 340 at first, so. Hey, cool. This is close now. That's a Southwest! That's a Southwest! That's a Southwest 737-700! Woohoo! Southwest! It's a Southwest! Oh. Man, I think loud. I know it's a 700. Southwest only has of its poke-up ones. Well, that was pretty cool. I knew it. United Express ERJ 145. That's weird. Yeah, United Express ERJ 145.
John, they're just coming fast and furious now.
United Express ERJ 145 again. Man, that was close. United 757. Again.
And this another.
United Express CRJ 200.
Actually, doesn't appear to be.
The United Express CRJ 200.
What could it be?
It's
Well, what's the next city if we're
United Express CRJ Express CRJ 200. United Express CRJ 200. Man, a lot of regional jet to Dulles too. Not just awesome. This is an even better view. I mean, look where we are. We're like right at the run. United Express CRJ 700. It's United Express CRJ 700. Man, this is cool. We're gonna see it fly away. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
28 cents.
Hi. Seriously, it's right by the sun. I'm gonna see it at the front. The back seems to be ridiculous. Where'd it go? It's a United Express CRJ, I'm sure of that.
Be thankful for chicken homes.
200. United Express CRJ 200.
Now what are we looking for?
Well, it's going to be a while. So we're looking for Virginia 608, West Oxford.